So I got two guys from India. What's your name, mate?
Yeah, my name is Vamsi Krishna Enturi.
My name is Dino.
Dino. So I will ask three questions. First, which course are you studying? Is it bachelor's or master's?
Yeah, I'm studying in masters.
Masters. And
Yeah.
you?
Mine is Masters in Computer Science.
Master in computer science. Is it a good field in computer
Yeah.
science? Very good.
Right now, the IT field is booming, and MSc Computer Science, there are a lot of vacancies in here.
Yeah, I agree.
That's right.
I'm also from computer science, so I know. Yeah, so question is, can you find jobs easily, part-time jobs? Like you're a student and you have to find part-time jobs. Is it easy or difficult?
Honestly speaking, there are plenty of jobs over here in Middlesbrough.
Plenty of jobs, yeah.
Because jobs more than these home country people cannot do. Like they won't work here, and international students are getting so many kind of jobs like care, support, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
Amazon gives so much of jobs for the Indian students
So-
as well as other students.
So you say that it's easy to find jobs here
Yes.
while
Yes,
you're a
sir.
student. It is easy.
Easy.
So can students manage their fees by doing part-time jobs or not?
Yes, according to them, they would pay a deposit and they come here.
Yeah,
And,
yeah. After they pay deposit, can they arrange their remaining fees?
Remaining fees,
Yes.
we will do the part-time
Well,
jobs and we
Yeah.
will pay.
So is it easy?
Easy, yeah.
So you're
the
saying
first year it would be easy, and the second year it is very easy because you
Yeah.
get 4 month
For summer
vacation.
holiday,
We
yeah.
can work full time.
yeah, you can work in summer holidays, spring holidays, and if you are in placement year, you can work 4 months.
Yeah.
Yeah. So your answer is yes. Student can manage their fees by.
Of course.
Doing
Yeah.
the part-time jobs.
Yeah. Thanks very much.
Thank you. Bye.
Please share and subscribe this channel. It is helpful for our students.
Yeah. Thank you.